Gleb Savchenko filed an emergency order with the court in Los Angeles to change his custody arrangement with ex-wife Elena Samodanova. The Dancing with the Stars pro shares two daughters, Olivia, 15, and Zlata, 9, with Samodanova, 43. According to court documents obtained by Us Weekly on Tuesday, July 14th, Savchenko's legal team told Samodanova, 43, that they will be filing an ex parte application for emergency orders to modify the existing child custody and visitation orders so that the Dancing with the Stars pro is granted temporary sole legal and sole physical custody of daughter Olivia in order for her to remain in California in her father's care as she desires, and for permission to enroll Olivia into high school in Los Angeles County, California, as she has expressed she wants. Per the court documents, Samodanova, 43, told Savchenko's attorney that she opposes all requests being made by your client. I do not consent to a modification of current orders, a change of custody, or the enrollment of our daughter Olivia in a California school. In WhatsApp messages between Samodanova and Savchenko's legal team, she claims that Hong Kong is their daughter's clear habitual residence. Olivia was born in Hong Kong and has lived there for more than 9 years in total, including the last 3 consecutive years residing full-time with me, she wrote. Samodanova claimed that Savchenko's alleged cancellation of Olivia's return ticket constitutes an unauthorized, wrongful retention of the child. In the docs, Savchenko, 42, also took issue with Samodanova allegedly taking their youngest daughter, Zlata, 9, to Russia without his permission. After Elena received ex parte notice in this matter, her phone pinged in Moscow, indicating that she had traveled to Moscow and took our youngest daughter, Zlata, with her. I learned from text messages sent to our daughter, Olivia, that Zlata was with her mother in Russia, Savchenko said in a declaration. She also admitted on WhatsApp to the law office I retained that she went to Moscow yesterday for a funeral. I unequivocally state, I did not consent to or even know that Elena was going to Moscow yesterday and would not have agreed for our daughter, Zlata, to accompany her in the war-torn country because of the obvious dangers. However, as she has done in the past, Elena simply does whatever she wants, as though I have no voice, opinion, or say in this matter with respect to our daughters. Savchenko stated in court documents that he instituted a Hague petition, or an international child abduction petition, for the return of Zlata. In a statement to Us, Savchenko's attorney Mark H. Carney said he is a specialist who has dealt with many international Hague matters. When Mr. Savchenko came to me in pain over missing his daughters so much, I knew I had to help. This case is very important to me, he said. It is about a dad who simply loves his daughters and wants to be with them. We are not looking to remove the mother from the children's lives, but the children belong in California, where their father is located and has been living since the divorce, and where they were supposed to be residing since 2024, after Elena's agreed-upon 1 year in Hong Kong ended. Samodanova, however, plans to fight against Savchenko's claims. The statement from Mr. Savchenko's attorney completely misrepresents our family's reality. As Olivia's primary caregiver, I have raised her every single day while Gleb worked full-time on DWTS, Samodanova shared in a statement to Us on Wednesday, July 15th. Today, Olivia is thriving in Hong Kong. She attends a top school and is an elite ballroom dancer. Gleb's actions directly jeopardize her future, her education, and her athletic progress. The statement continued, furthermore, California lacks jurisdiction over our daughter. Hong Kong is Olivia's permanent home and legal residency. Ironically, Gleb himself holds a permanent resident card there. Olivia was scheduled to return to Hong Kong on June 5th, but her father wrongfully canceled her ticket without my permission. This is a case of wrongful international retention. His emergency filing is a rushed attempt to bypass proper laws. I am asking the court to halt temporary orders and grant a continuance so my counsel can present Olivia's permanent records through the correct legal channels. Samodanova first filed for divorce from Savchenko in December 2022, after 14 years of marriage. In December 2025, she welcomed a baby with boyfriend Vlad Kvartin. A hearing on Savchenko's request is scheduled for August 18th.